Hello everybody. My wife's friend found this Rowenta iron. It's a Rowenta Focus. The model number is a DW5080. These are made in Germany and they are extremely high quality and rather expensive compared to many other irons. So her friend said it's not working. When you plug it in, there's a light here, an indicator light that turns on, and the indicator light's not turning on, so I suspect the control is shot. It's pretty easy to replace. Just have to remove this one screw here. It looks like the correct bit that you need is a torx 20, a T20 bit. Just a regular T20 will do the job and get that screw out. Remove that screw and this cover will pry off very gently. And then you can remove the control, which slides out, and unplug it from the heating element. So all of this comes out and you can buy a complete replacement. One part, it plugs right in right here, but one part includes a new cord, includes this control, the indicator light, etc. So to replace the control, all you do is unplug this. So everything is completely disconnected here. The new control is part number RS.DW0128. So I went with a complete replacement part. They're under $30, normally in the $25 or $27 to $30 range. So for less than 30 bucks, we'll have a brand new backup iron. Let me plug it in to show you that it's working. I just plugged it in. The light's on here, and the light is on there. So I didn't have either of those indicator lights before I replaced the control. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, how about a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.